Now that your students have gone through all of the Anne Frank project exercises, it's important to know that you can stack these exercises for a really great challenge. So let's give it a go. Let's do 2 exercises at once. So can we get into our circle? And we are going to try 2 exercises. We are going to pass the word and pass the power at the same time. Okay, let's take a breath in together. And it's important to breathe in between games because it just clears everything out, starts fresh. Okay, and the person who is leading will start passing the word, and then Rose, after I pass a few words, will you start passing the power?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. All right, here we go. Pineapple!
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 Pineapple.
Cloud!
Cloud. Ha.
Pineapple! Ha! Ha! Cloud!
Pineapple!
Pineapple.
Ha! 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 Ha!
And you may notice that some words disappear, but that's okay because you can start again. But it does ask you to really stop thinking and get into your bodies and check in with each other and ask students, so what happened to pineapple? What do you think happened? The pineapple disappeared.
I think we all got focused on the ha.
Yeah, our focus really
Everybody
switched
did.
on to ha.
Yeah.
All right, what else can we do to make sure that the words stay in the game? Yes, Rose.
Don't think, just do.
Okay, so let's try that. Don't think, just do. And let's spread out a little bit more. And there's no rush. All right. In through your nose, out of your mouth. Important thing is to keep the stories going. Okay. Daejeon, after I start passing the words, will you please start pass the power?
Yes.
All right, great. Bird!
Bird! Dog!
Bird!
Ha! Ha!
Dog! Bird! Ha!
Bird! Ha! 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 Ha!
Dog!
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 Ha! Ha!
Bird!
Bird! Dog!
Bird! Dog!
Bird! Ha! Bird!
Dog! Beautiful. So we kept bird and dog going while we were passing the ha. And you can see that everybody's smiling and laughing and breathing. That's where you know that everybody's been warmed up. So now that we have all those amazing exercises into our bodies, we can put these you can use these exercises as templates to explore curriculum in your classroom. So does anybody have an idea of an exercise we can use to explore a lesson in the class?
I do.
Lucas, what's up?
Yeah, a great exercise we might use to explore a topic unrelated to theater or anything in the arts is math. So we could do pass the word with different vocabulary in math. So if we got into a circle and passed the word division, maybe everybody sees or understands division in a different way. So if we pass that word, we can see everybody's unique story and way of understanding that word. So let's pass division this way. Division!
Division.
Ooh, division.
Division!
Right, and see there we got 4 different stories of division and we saw 4 different ways of understanding it. So that might be a great way to expand math vocabulary using pass the word.
Great. Does anybody else have an example of how we can use these exercises in the class?
Maybe we can use leadership. So now we can use voice movement story with this. So basically we're gonna do leadership, and I'm gonna show you how leadership feels for me. Then we're gonna go around the circle, we're gonna do the same thing, and then once I do mine, Luke is gonna do his, and we're gonna go around, all right?
So which version of pass the stories is this? Is this dominoes or pulse?
Dominoes.
Dominoes. Got it. Okay, cool.
Okay, all right, you guys ready? Leadership.
Leadership.
Leadership. Leadership.
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 Leadership. And that's it.
Beautiful. So that's a wonderful way that you can take classroom curriculum in a lesson, such as math, or you can look at classroom culture and things that you want your students to feel. So if you're looking at leadership skills, responsibility and respect, how do those make students feel? And we can use these exercises as templates to explore those concepts.